we are starting our hike from the Giegelstein Bond Station. Our first destination is Giegelstein, which is approximately 1008 meters high, and after that we will head to Rosalpspitze, which is just above 1700 meters. The trail is very beautiful and passes through dense forests. Along the way you will see stunning views of lush green mountains with clouds drifting over them. The scenery becomes even more captivating with the clouds, allowing you to fully enjoy the beauty of nature. We were greeted with a breathtaking panoramic view. There were clouds as well, which added a unique charm to the scenery. After sitting at the top for a while, we began our descent. Our next destination was Rosalpspitze. Upon reaching there, we spent some time enjoying the view. From that spot, on one side we could see Kingday, and on the other side, the famous mountain Kampenwind in the Chiemgau region. After that, we made our way down from the other side toward our parking area. The same path led us back to the point where we had started our hike. In this way, our beautiful hike came to an end. If you